Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trade stickers in Heartopia. So I'm missing one sticker and I have like this duplicate, but okay, apparently my friend wants to trade first, so I can just press this button and I'll get the sticker that I need and I'll give her the sticker that I need. So again, I'm just going to press this button up here, then go to the Sweet Secrets, send stickers, and I'm going to send the duplicate that I have, and my friend's just going to press that button to obtain the sticker that she doesn't have. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.